Old friend, you wouldn't want to do this. I'm sure. Okay. You can't do this. You already know who's gonna win this time. We already did this before. Actually, no, we haven't. We haven't done this before, Foxy. I'm gonna cut your eyes out. If you even had any. I'm gonna cut your. I'm gonna cut your. I'm gonna cut your. You can't even think of what you're gonna say. Arr, 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 arr. You really are stupid. Die. Arr. Ugh. My arm. My leg. My leg hurts more than my arm. KO. No. It's not KO yet. I'm still alive. No, it's not gonna be alive. That headache in the morning. I'm not gonna have a headache. You are. You don't even know where I am. You don't know where my house is. This is why I always wanted just to come to your house. Because I never really did know where I lived. And here, you don't know where I am. Where am I? My leg. You caught me, but take that swordful. You'll never get back up after I rip your arm off. My arm. I can't snap that back on. And then the last part of your arm. No, please don't do this, Foxy. You wouldn't do this to your old friend. It's for your own good. Help. The only thing you're gonna have help with is nothing. Help. Help. I'm legless. The only thing you're gonna help with is nothing. I'm gonna hang you again. This time with my hook. You thought I couldn't snap back together? Well, you were wrong. I could snap back together. That way no one has to say goodbye to me. no one ever say goodbye. Even if my parts are on the wrong leg, or on the wrong things, I can still beat your ass. Arr! You can't beat nothing. You can't even beat me in a single fight. Which is why I never wanted you to know where I lived, because I knew that I was going to do this. I have been planning this ever since we have been best friends. Now, do you know what my name is? Yes, it's Rockstar Foxy. You're right. But do you know what my last name is? Yes. No, I don't know. Arr, you never knew it because I never told you. The only way you would know it is if I told you. Help me. Please, someone call 911. I'm missing my arm, and it's on the wrong limb. Arr. I don't care. My arm is on the wrong way. I'm still gonna kill you.